Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your media with Vimeo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your media on Vimeo, start by logging into your Vimeo account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. Select videos from the options in the menu. This will take you to your video library where all your uploaded media is listed. Locate the video you want to recover. Click on the video thumbnail to open the video details page. Look for the Restore button if the video has been deleted. Click on the Restore button to initiate the recovery process. You may see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to restore the video. Confirm your action by clicking Yes or Confirm. The video will then be restored to its original location in your library. You will receive a notification once the recovery is complete. If you do not see the Restore option, check your account settings. Make sure you are using a Vimeo account that supports video recovery. In case you have an upgraded account, check the Video Management section for additional options. Remember to check your inbox for any emails from Vimeo regarding the recovery process. After restoring, verify that the video plays correctly in your library. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Vimeo support for assistance. Your media should now be successfully recovered and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.